I'm Nadia Ryzhakova and we're here in my studio in Paintvik. For me, every painting begins with a moment of chaos. Free-flowing color, unpredictable and alive. I pour thin acrylic paint onto the canvas, letting air, gravity and chance guide its movement. What emerges are organic patterns that echo the natural world. Clouds, rippling water, tree bark, moss. These are examples of so-called spontaneous pattern formation in nature. My art is definitely rooted in nature, but more in its natural patterns. I think of nature as to do with something is self-propagating, something is organic and unpredictable. My way of painting relies a lot on that accidental nature of the painting process and the idea that painting begins as a system of patterns that grow by themselves. And it's incredible that structure as regular as this can really rise unplanned. And the same kind of pattern can show up in an enormous range of different physical, chemical, biological systems in the micro and macro level. And somewhere deep down inside, it's happening for the same reason. Arising from chaos, pattern formation is built into nature's most basic rules. It's an inherent part of the universe. That to me is a mind-blowing thought. Pattern is everywhere, it's just waiting to happen. And that's what's exciting. And then when the paint dries, I go back in and selectively add details to transform what could have just been a pattern into whimsical worlds inhabited by children. Children often live in these spaces because, for me, they symbolize curiosity, openness and wonder, the ability to see stories where others might see only chaos. I often reflect on my younger self, and maybe it's my way of preserving that childlike way of seeing, turning the accidental into the magical. And I think painting for me is a way of escaping into those imaginative, whimsical worlds. It's a place of rescue. And what I find so inspiring is a dance between order and chaos, abstraction and storytelling, real and surreal. In a way, my paintings remind me that the universe itself is creative. It builds patterns out of chance, and I'm just one small part of that rhythm, translating its language into something I think I understand.